I'm here with my niece who looks like me, and I'm gonna be doing her makeup to look like me. Let's go.
يلا.
We're starting off with the Tarte Shape concealer to cover these bags because someone doesn't sleep. Okay, it's Maya. Oh, she needs blush. She needs to wake up. So we're gonna use the Estee Lauder blush in shade Pink Kiss. Nose.
أول مرة بحط بلاش هالقد.
Okay, next step we have brows, the Benefit Brow Setter. I'm so excited to do her brows!
احكي لهم ليه.
Because she has Turkish brows and they're fluffy. And she can have soap brows.
شكرا. خلصنا.
No.
خلصنا الحاجة.
My favorite step.
طب كيف تضمني ما يقطعوا رموشك؟
بقطعوش بنسمي بالله. Okay, next step we curled her lashes. We're using the Dior mascara.
وين أطلع؟ خلصنا
خلصنا المسكارا. Now for lipstick.
وطبعا في تركت لي مسكرة.
Okay, then we use the lip tint that I have on my lips. She's still done. We leave it on for like 3 minutes and then we wipe it off.
بلشت أشبهك.
كأنك بنت أختي. She's gonna put lip gloss on right now. So I'm leaving this up to her because I'm doing my other niece's makeup.
هيك بيعملوا الميك اب ارتست صح؟
Yes. Now I'm doing my hijab the same as her. So.
أنا ما بعرف الطريقة اللي بعمل فيها حتى.
كيف
يعني حسب خلص هيك اللي بيطلع معي.
Oh, this is the final look. Do we look alike?
لا. والله لا.
والله هم بيحكوا Okay.